The mechanized infantry has deadly striking power on the move. Mechanization has given the infantry speed, shock power, and surprise. Necessary ingredients for success in any battle. The tank and mechanized infantry troops can fight and win engagements in many different war scenarios. This is made possible by its ability to split itself and fight as mounted as well as dismounted elements.
पुराने ज़माने में टैंक्स होते थे हमारे पास एंड उसके बाद इन्फेंट्री. फिर कुछ सालों बाद रियलाइज़ किया गया कि इन्फेंट्री टैंक के साथ मैचअप नहीं कर पाती. सो दुनिया में कॉन्सेप्ट आया मैकेनाइज्ड इन्फेंट्री का.
Unlike the soldiers of the light infantry, mechanized infantry enjoys superior tactical and operational mobility. Their fire support weapons are mounted on motorized transport and are often built directly into the combat vehicles, thereby increasing their firepower.
We can perform tasks of the infantry and we have matching mobility to work in conjunction with armor.
During mechanized operations, both armor and mechanized infantry operate in conjunction as a tactically integrated entity. While tanks and BMP combat vehicles destroy enemy tanks and hostile fighting vehicles with long-range anti-tank guided missile fire, the mechanized infantry troops dismount and engage the enemy in close combat situations and capture the objective. Their objective is to swiftly establish complete control over enemy territory and enable advancement of tanks and troops further inside enemy areas.
I joined the mechanized infantry because first of all I was fascinated by the kind of equipment which has got. It is a very versatile equipment.
The primary fighting vehicles of the mechanized infantry is the Russian-made BMP. Looking like a mini tank, the BMP is an amphibious armored infantry combat vehicle capable of operating on land as well as in water. Once in water, the BMP floats across and it can move at a maximum speed of 7 km per hour. Unlike tanks which cannot cross water obstacles deeper than 5 meters, BMPs suffer from no such limitation. In fact, these have successfully participated in joint exercises along with the Indian Navy in high seas also. In addition to its driver, commander and the gunner, a BMP can additionally carry 7 fully armed soldiers. These are called stick. These 7 soldiers can quickly dismount through the rear doors for launching assaults. The dismounted team delivers small arms and tactical fire.
We got all the small arms starting from a 9mm pistol till the missile. We have a plethora of weapons authorized to different persons in mechanized battalions.
With a full complement of infantry weapons including the 81mm mortar, the mechanized infantry maximizes its potency and mobility with the BMPs. When it comes to operating terrains, BMPs are all-rounders to the core. They can operate in the plains, deserts, paved areas, rocky terrain and in high-altitude snow-covered surfaces with equal ease. Indian Army has deployed this potent war machine at heights above 11,000 feet. The regiment has succeeded in synergizing and exploiting the inherent strength of all the 5 components of a rapidly mobile war machine: men, weapons, protection, mobility and communication.
The proudest moment of my career has been as a mechanized company commander in high altitude area, where I took my BMPs and I deployed them as far north as was possible and has been done for the first time in the country.
The BMP is equipped with a combined infrared searchlight periscope and infrared night sight for the commander and the driver. They are also capable of generating smoke screens by injecting diesel fuel into their exhaust manifolds.
We have to conceal ourselves by means of smoke dischargers. We have to save ourselves from the anti-tank weapons.
The BMP is armed with a 30mm cannon. This can effectively engage both ground and aerial targets in a range of up to 4 kilometers.
The cannon of the BMP can be used against normal soft-skin vehicles, against enemy infantry in open. It can be also used to engage enemy aircrafts.
We are tomorrow's regiment in today's army.
The mechanized infantry soldiers are an embodiment of true blue warriors, a blend of valor, unrelenting fortitude, gallant mobility, devotion to duty, courage of conviction, and spirit of sacrifice.